Okay, y'all. Case Survival, and I actually upgraded this a little bit by putting in two things. One are the matches that I got in the British faction. The other is the water purification tablets. So, it's more of a complete kit. I have this for water and all that. But, there, this right here, yeah, right there. Little fishing kit, and the cordage on the other thing. So, uh, but yeah, yeah, this is here, this one here, yep. So I got more complete kit. I will have a bag, a little collectible canteen, with me. I need to find that, and then wash that out, and bam, I have a kit for an overnight type thing, if need be. Of course, this is this, but it's okay. I also have water purification tablets in here. So, yeah. Email. Peace.